This is a cargo container house in Florida that I'm going to be installing air conditioners in the near future. It's 2 living floors with stilts for parking underneath. In this area, I'm going to be installing a platform and mini split condensers for the air conditioning. This is the rear of the house with a nice deck for watching sunsets. It also has 2 large doors that can open onto the deck. This is the stairwell going up to the front door. Eventually this temporary meter will be removed and a railing will be installed. I have more videos coming in the future once I start installing the mini split air conditioners. Stay tuned to see more.